If your Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max suddenly shows a black screen and won't respond, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix the iPhone 17 Pro Max black screen of death without losing your data. Many users on Reddit and Apple support community reported this issue happening after iOS updates, overheating, battery drain, or random system crashes. Sometimes the phone is actually still running in the background, but the display becomes completely frozen or unresponsive. Let's start with the most important fix first. The number one solution is performing a force restart correctly. A lot of people press the buttons the wrong way or release too early. You must do the sequence one button at a time, not together. Here's how to force restart the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it continuously for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Do not let go even if the screen stays black at first. Wait until the Apple logo physically appears on the display. This process clears temporary software crashes without deleting anything from your iPhone. For many users, the screen comes back immediately after this step. If the force restart doesn't work, the next possible issue is a deeply drained battery. Sometimes the battery becomes so low that the iPhone cannot properly wake the display or recognize charging normally. Now connect your iPhone to a trusted wall charger using an Apple-certified USB-C cable and adapter. Avoid cheap third-party charging accessories because they can fail to deliver stable power. And here's something interesting. Several Reddit users mentioned that normal USB-C charging did not work, but placing the iPhone on a MagSafe charger suddenly brought the phone back to life. So, if you have a MagSafe charger available, try that too. Now leave the iPhone charging completely untouched for around 30 to 60 minutes. After that, attempt the force restart sequence again. If your iPhone still has a black screen but you hear sounds, vibrations, notification alerts, or feel haptic feedback, then the operating system may be corrupted while the phone itself is still powered on. In this situation, recovery mode is usually the best solution. Connect your iPhone 17 Pro Max to a Mac or Windows PC using a USB-C cable. On Mac, open Finder. On Windows, open iTunes or the Apple Devices app. Now repeat the same force restart sequence while the phone stays connected. Press volume up. Press volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even if the Apple logo appears briefly. Do not release it until you see the recovery mode screen showing a cable and computer icon. Once your computer detects the iPhone, you'll see two options: Update or Restore. Choose Update first. This reinstalls iOS without deleting your personal files, photos, or apps. The process may take several minutes, so keep the phone connected during the update. Now let's talk about possible hardware problems. If your iPhone still has a completely black screen but continues making sounds, connecting to Bluetooth devices, vibrating, or receiving notifications, there's a good chance the display panel or backlight has failed. This is more likely if the phone was dropped, exposed to water, extreme heat, or physical damage. The good news is that the iPhone 17 Pro Max is still within Apple's standard hardware warranty period for most users. So, if software fixes fail, contact Apple support or visit an authorized repair center for a display inspection or replacement. And that's how to fix the iPhone 17 Pro Max black screen of death.